In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log on to PayPal. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official PayPal website. For safety, type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark rather than clicking an ad from a search result. Once the page loads, glance at the address bar to confirm you're really on a secure PayPal page. You should see a padlock icon and the domain that includes paypal.com. On the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Login. If you're on a smaller screen, the Login option may appear in a menu, but it's typically still near the top right. On the login page, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter the email address or the mobile number linked to your PayPal account. In the second field, enter your password. Take a moment to type carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on by accident. If there's an eye icon in the password box, you can briefly reveal what you've typed to check for mistakes. If you use a password manager, allow it to fill the fields for you to reduce typos. When everything looks correct, select Login. At this point, one of two things will happen. If you're using a browser or device that you've already used to sign into PayPal and your details are correct, you'll be taken straight to your PayPal dashboard. If this is a new device or PayPal needs to confirm it's really you may be asked to complete a quick security check. PayPal can send a 6-digit code to your email, your mobile number by text, or to a secure messaging app, depending on what you've set up. Keep the login page open, retrieve the code on your chosen device, and enter it exactly as shown. These codes typically expire quickly, so use it as soon as you receive it. If it doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folders, verify that you entered the correct email or number, and then try requesting a new code. Never share this code with anyone. Once the code is accepted, you'll land on your dashboard and you're logged in. If you encounter errors, double check your email or number for typos and confirm your password. If you can't remember it, use the forgot link on the page to reset it securely. For privacy, avoid logging in on shared or public computers and always sign out when you're finished. If you're on a trusted device, allowing the browser to remember it can make future logins quicker. And that's all there is to it.